Prince William's recent visit to New York City has drawn sharp comparisons to Prince Harry and Meghan Markle's headline-grabbing trip to the city, with pundits characterizing it as a clash between class and crass. During his stay, the 41-year-old Prince of Wales engaged in a series of royal duties, most notably the Earthshot Prize Innovation Summit, an event he founded to address climate change challenges. This summit coincided with New York Climate Week and the 78th United Nations General Assembly. One key distinction between the two brothers' visits was the mode of transportation. Prince William opted for a commercial flight, which contrasted sharply with Prince Harry and Meghan Markle's previous use of a private jet. This choice was emblematic of the differing approaches the two couples have taken to public perception. Christopher Anderson, renowned author of The King, noted the conspicuous differences in their visits. While Prince Harry and Meghan Markle seemed intent on portraying themselves as victims of media scrutiny, Prince William maintained his focus on the pressing issue of climate change. This marked a significant departure from the theatrical and self-promotional style exhibited by the Sussexes. A notable event during Prince Harry and Meghan's previous visit was a purported 2-hour high-speed chase through the streets of Manhattan, allegedly involving aggressive paparazzi. However, skepticism arose about the feasibility of such a lengthy pursuit in New York City's densely populated and congested streets. Prince William's visit, on the other hand, was marked by a conspicuous absence of drama. He eschewed the limelight and underscored his commitment to addressing global challenges rather than indulging in personal publicity. Intriguingly, Prince William's wife, Kate Middleton, chose to remain in the UK during his trip. She continued to fulfill her own royal responsibilities, symbolizing a sense of equilibrium within the royal family. Overall, Prince William's visit to New York City was deemed a success, emphasizing his dedication to important global causes and projecting a distinctly different image compared to the more sensationalized approach taken by Prince Harry and Meghan Markle. His understated and substantive style left a lasting impression of his commitment to duty and responsibility.